Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a cabin air filter in a Volvo XC60. This small but mighty component is crucial for maintaining good air quality inside your vehicle. It traps dust, pollen, and other airborne particles, preventing them from entering your cabin. Replacing it regularly, typically every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, ensures you and your passengers breathe cleaner air and helps your heating and air conditioning system work more effectively. Finding your cabin air filter is the first step. In many vehicles, including the Volvo XC60, it's commonly located in the passenger footwell, often behind a trim panel. For some models, you might find it under the hood, near the passenger side windshield cowl. Always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for the precise location and specific access instructions to ensure a smooth process and avoid damaging components. Once you've accessed the filter housing, pay close attention to the airflow direction arrow on the old filter. This is critical for proper installation of the new one. Gently slide out the old filter, which will likely be quite dirty from accumulated debris. Then, carefully insert your new cabin air filter, making sure its airflow arrow matches the direction you observed on the old one. This ensures optimal filtration. With the new filter in place, carefully reassemble any components you removed, such as trim panels or covers, ensuring all clips and screws are securely fastened. Then, turn on your vehicle and test the fan and air conditioning system to confirm everything is working correctly. You'll immediately notice the benefits of cleaner, fresher air inside your vehicle and potentially better heating and air conditioning efficiency.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.